Everything is energy. Energy is everything. This statement, if understood properly, can really create magics in our life. Let me tell you how. Hello everyone, welcome to Serene Life. Now I hope everybody out there wants an abundant life, wants to manifest their dream life, a happy life. So in this video, I am going to give you a very simple explanation so all of you can understand this principle. Because when you understand the concept, you can really manifest anything very fast. So basically all or most of the manifestation techniques works on the concept of law of attraction, which states that positive attracts positive and negative attracts negative. But this is just half of the picture. Actually, the core of the law of attraction is law of vibration. And these are the vibrations which we really need to understand. It is nothing mystical. It is just pure science, basic science. It's all just about your energies. Let me explain it to you. अभी हम सब लोगों ने साइंस में पढ़ा है that everything around us is in a constant state of motion at different frequencies. And by everything, I literally means everything. This table, this chair, the trees out there. The object maybe in itself may seem stationary to you, but the particles inside it are in a constant state of vibration, a motion. And same holds true for our human body as well. Our human body is also kind of vibrational energy because it is also made up of cells, particles, atoms and all. Our brain, it is like a kind of electronic switching station. Every thought of ours initiate a vibrational pattern. इनफैक्ट अगर आपने कभी किसी का ब्रेन फंक्शन टेस्ट देखा हो जिसको EEG कहते हैं, अगर आपने कभी किसी का वो देखा हो, दैट इज ऑल्सो रिकॉर्डेड इन द पैटर्न ऑफ द वाइब्रेशन, इन द पैटर्न ऑफ द वेव्स. सो एवरी थॉट ऑफ आवर्स is a vibration. So if you really want to take control of your life, all you need to do is understand these vibrations. Now, like particles, vibration also attract. If two particles vibrating at the same frequency are kept close to each other, they amplify that vibration, they amplify that wave. So similarly, your thoughts also work on the same pattern. If you are vibrating in the energy of abundance with the thoughts of abundance, that's what you reflect in the universe, and that's what you get back from the universe, and that's what you amplify in your life. Let me give you an example over here which will help you understand. आप लोगों ने अक्सर देखा होगा अगर किसी दिन ऑफिस के लिए आप लेट उठे, अपने काम के लिए आप लेट उठे जाने के लिए अपने टाइम से, तो उठते ना योर थॉट्स गो क्रेजी एंड वाइल्ड. हे भगवान देर ना हो जाए, हे भगवान देर ना हो जाए, जल्दी करो जल्दी करो जल्दी करो, देर ना हो जाए. बट उस दिन होता क्या है, अचानक से आपको अनड्यू ट्रैफिक जैम मिल जाएगा, अचानक से आपको ब्रेकफास्ट जल जाएगा कि जिसकी वजह से आपको अननोन डिलेज होंगे, कोई फाइल नहीं मिलेगी, आप गिर जाओगे, आपको चोट लग जाएगी, एनीथिंग विल हैपन, मगर मोर डिलेज पे डिलेज पे डिलेज होते जाएंगे. ऐसा क्यों? आप सोच तो ये रहे थे कि देर ना हो, बट देर हो गई. ऐसा क्यों? ऐसा इसलिए क्योंकि सबकॉन्शियसली व्हाट यू वर रिफ्लेक्टिंग इज कि आपको देर हो गई है, एंड दैट्स व्हाट यू एम्पलीफाइड, एंड दैट्स व्हाई unknown delays kept happening to you. See, universe works like your Instagram and Facebook. Instagram और Facebook में क्या होता है कि आपने अगर कोई चीज़ सर्च करी ना, तो Instagram and Facebook will show you more of the similar kind of things. Same goes with the universe. Universe shows you more of what you're thinking, what you're feeling, and where you are focusing. Let me give you one more example. सपोज आपको अपना कोई ड्रीम जॉब चाहिए एंड यू डिड अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल मैनिफेस्टेशन टेक्निक फॉर इट. यू मेड अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल विजन बोर्ड, यू मेड अ मैनिफेस्टेशन लिस्ट एंड एवरीथिंग. बट मोस्टली क्या होता है, आफ्टर डूइंग दैट वी बिकम वेरी एंशियस एंड वी कीप थिंकिंग इन अवर बैक ऑफ द माइंड कि हे भगवान जॉब मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा, हे भगवान जॉब मिल जाए, मिलेगा या नहीं मिलेगा. सो डू यू थिंक ऐसे में आपको जॉब मिलेगा? नहीं मिलेगा. यहाँ पे आपका मैनिफेस्टेशन टेक्निक काम नहीं करेगा. क्यों? क्योंकि आप डेफिशिट, आप लैक की एनर्जी पे वाइब्रेट कर रहे थे. वॉट यू वर सेंडिंग आउट टू यूनिवर्स इज कि आपके पास वो जॉब नहीं है. सो यूनिवर्स गेव यू द सेम बैक. रिमेंबर, वी डोंट गेट what we want, we get what we are. तभी कहते हैं, if you want to change your life, change your mindset, change your thoughts. If you want to change your life, change the words you use. If you want to change your life, change the company you keep. These are nothing, they all are talking just about the vibrations. Because you become the vibration, the kind of company you keep. Let me give you one more example. आप लोगों ने कभी कभी ऑब्जर्व करा होगा कि अगर आपके घर के आसपास ना कोई बहुत तेज डीजे बज रहा हो, तो आपके घर की जो विंडोज होती है ना, वो उसी डीजे की फ्रीक्वेंसी से धम 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 करने लगती है. डीजे तो बहुत दूर बज रहा है, बट they just caught those vibrations and start vibrating at those frequencies. Same happens with you. आप जिस नेटवर्क में मूव करते हो, जिन लोगों के साथ मूव करते हो, जो कनेक्शंस रखते हो, जो वर्ड्स यूज करते हो, जो थॉट्स रखते हो, you become those vibrations and you attract the same things in your life. In fact, vibration are not only responsible for the manifestation in your life. Vibration works at each and every level of your life. Well, vibes is a very common word which we use, but I feel oftenly we don't understand it. So see, when you are vibrating at a lower frequency, it's not that you have stopped manifesting. No, you manifest more and more of lower frequency because you are tuned into that vibrations. So now it's very simple to have a happy and abundant life. Just be in the right zone of vibration. I really hope, guys, I was able to make you understand this concept in a very easy way. And if this video was helpful to you in any way, please like, subscribe and share my channel. And stay tuned to the right vibration and to my channel. Sayonara.